Hello and welcome. Now, one of the key aspects of being able to stay in touch with everyone who is on your team is to be able to access your mobile device and to access Trello on it. So, what you will need to do is to make sure that you have Trello enabled on your mobile device, and you can do that by going to either the App Store if you are an iOS user or the Play Store if you are a Google Android user. You will search for the app and then you'll go to your particular app store. Once you see the Trello app, you'll need to get it onto your mobile device. Once you have the app downloaded, you'll then want to click Open. You'll need to then determine whether or not you want to have Trello send you notifications. If you are working on a particular project, you can. If you are just working in general, then you do not have to have Trello to send you applications on your mobile device. Once you have the app on your mobile device, you will then have access to all of the board and activity just as you have it on your desktop. In order to access a particular card, all you'll need to do is to press on top of the area and it will expand into the card and all of the contents. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.